Wow, yummy muffins. Yum, fresh from the oven. Oh no, the little baby is sad. Vroom, vroom, yellow school bus driving through the town. Rumble, rumble, the ground is shaking, the road is breaking. Screech! Yummy, yummy, the delicious muffins. A bite of a muffin and poof, he turns into a blue superhero. Another yummy bite and zap, a green superhero appears. With a magical flash, a yellow superhero appears. Up, up, and away. The Super Muffin Kids are ready to help. How will the bus get across the broken road? The Super Kids see the problem and they know just what to do. They whisper a secret plan to save the day. Working together, they get ready to move the heavy bus. Hooray! They helped the bus cross safely. Oh dear, a seagull flew away with the baby's pacifier. Look, the Super Kids spot the seagull. Running fast, the green hero tries to catch the flying bird. Flying high, the yellow hero, the pacifier is safe and sound under the big tree. Here you go, little one. The green hero returns the pacifier. It's time to relax and chat. Now, let's learn from the Muffin Man how to bake our own treats. Mixing flour, fruit, and fun to make the perfect muffin batter. Ding! The muffins are baked and ready. Hooray for team baking! Everyone enjoys the delicious muffins together.
The Muffin Man, walking down the happy lane. The Muffin Man, have you seen him in the rain?
Yellow school bus, stopping on the broken road. The yellow school bus, have you seen it with its load?
Magic Muffin, giving us a super spark. The Magic Muffin, have you seen it in the dark? Super friends, lifting up the heavy bus. The super friends, have you seen them helping us? Silly seagull, flying high up in the blue. The silly seagull, have you seen it, me and you?
The super friends, have you seen them lead the way?
Yummy muffins, baking in the oven warm. The yummy muffins, have you seen them, a tasty charm?
Boom, boom, let's play the drums. Yay, we're a happy, happy family. Tap, tap, who is coming now? Whoosh, a pink monkey swings in. Hello, I'm your mommy. Clap, 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 the baby monkey is so happy. Wiggle, wiggle, mommy monkey does a happy dance. Whee! Here comes a big monkey swinging fast. Hey there, I'm your daddy. Clap, clap, he's so excited to see his daddy. Shake, shake, Daddy Monkey grooves to the beat. Daddy, Mommy, and Baby, what a trio! Yay, we're a happy, happy family. Wiggle, wiggle, happy dance. Pop, a purple monkey peeks from a mushroom. Hi, I'm your sister. Clap, clap, a new friend is here. Shimmy, shimmy, Sister Monkey shows her fun moves. Boing, boing, Look, a colorful monkey is bouncing. Yoo-hoo, I'm your brother. Hooray! So many friends to play with now. Wiggle jiggle, Brother Monkey loves to dance. One by one, the whole family is here. Everybody dance now! What a party! Knock, knock, who else is here? Peekaboo, it's the sweet Grandma Monkey. Clap, clap, everyone loves Grandma. Ta-da! Here is the wise Grandpa Monkey. Clap, clap, let's welcome Grandpa. And me, I'm the baby, too! Clap and wiggle, the baby is so playful. Wow, what a big, wonderful family! Hooray! We are one big, happy family. Wave hello.
Who are you? I'm your mommy, mommy, mommy. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Yo, yo, yo. Are you? Who are you? I'm your daddy, daddy, daddy. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Yo, yo, yo. Who are you? I'm your sister, sister, sister. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Yo, yo, yo. Who are you? I'm your brother, brother, brother. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Yo, yo, yo. Who are you? I'm the baby, baby, baby. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Yo, yo, yo. Who are you? We're a happy family.
Mommy, daddy, kids, and baby.
Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Shake, shake, shake. Yo, yo, yo.
Hooray! Hooray!
Look, two little friends are playing on the sunny farm. Whoosh! One boy gives the ball a big kick. Up, up, up it goes, soaring through the sky. Oh dear, the happy sun sees puffy gray clouds rolling in. Raindrops start to fall. Oh no! The boys look up, feeling the cold drops. The poor horse is all alone. Nay! It calls out sadly. Don't worry, says a friend, giving the horse a gentle pat, pat, pat. Look, the whole horse family is together. Hooray! The sun peeks out, twinkle, twinkle. A new friend. Here comes a little girl, ready to play. Oh, not again! The worried sun hides as the clouds come back. Plop! One boy puts a bowl on his head. What a silly raincoat! He bravely leads the cows into the cozy barn. Muddy puddle! Splish, splash, splosh! Oink, oink! 3 little piglets. But wait, the clouds are back. On a big round haystack, the 2 boys are resting. A fluffy black sheep says "Bah!" and playfully hops up to say hello.
Yeah, I want to play more. It's a delicious corn snack. Uh-oh, a kernel of corn is falling down. When the sun shines brightly, We want to play more. The air is clear, and the animal friends play together.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Neigh, neigh, the horses say. Rain, rain, go away. Daddy horse, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy horse, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby horse, do-do-do-do-do-do. Happy horses.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Moo, moo, the cows say. Rain, rain, go away.
Daddy cow, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy cow, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby cow, do-do-do-do-do-do. Happy cows. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Oink, oink, the piglets say. Rain, rain, go away.
Daddy pig, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy pig, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby pig, do-do-do-do-do-do. Happy pigs.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Ba, ba, the sheep say. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Chick, chick, the chickies say. Rain, rain, go away. Daddy chick, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy chick, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby chick, do-do-do-do-do-do. Happy chicks.
One, a little explorer on his way. What was that? A new sound? A green skateboard. Wow! The wheels spin. So much fun! Round and round the wheels go. He's on. Time for a ride. Look, red balls. Ready, set, jump! Splash! Red balls everywhere! Ready, set, jump! Splash! Purple balls fly high! What a bouncy purple world! Woo! A sunny yellow pit! One more jump to go! Into the yellow, whee! Splash! A sweet surprise, a lollipop. Daddy, Daddy. Yes, Papa? Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? Ha ha ha. Dreaming sweetly, safe with Dad. But wait, adventure calls again. Quietly now for one more ride. One, a little explorer on his way. Round and round the wheels go. Wow, a rainbow of fun!
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha,
Look, it's breakfast time. Let's go to the kitchen. What's for breakfast today? Hello, Daddy. Wow, look at the fruit. So many yummy fruits. Daddy is making breakfast. Good morning, everyone. Would you like an apple? Peeling the red apple. It's an apple crab. Yummy, yummy apple. Crunchy apple slice. This apple is so sweet. Let's share the apples.
We love eating apples. Look, purple grapes. Wow, so many grapes. A grape and carrot caterpillar. One grape for you. A sweet grape. Grapes are so juicy. What's this? A banana. A yellow banana. Let's peel the banana. Bunny likes bananas. Yummy, yummy bananas. Time for a round orange. Peeling the juicy orange. An orange for you, Dino. A fun fruit dinosaur. Yay! Fruit is the best. Wow! Look at the fruit. Yummy, yummy apple. Yummy, yummy bananas. Yay! Fruit is the best.
Tummy's rumbling, time to eat. Let's find something sweet, sweet, sweet. Daddy's in the kitchen, look and see. Making yummy fruit for you and me. First an apple red and bright. Take a super crunchy bite.